So in this video, we are going to discuss about the second part of the lecture note, that is on the second derivative test. And if you don't know, second derivative test is something related to concavity. So we are talking about the shape of the graph. So two things that you need to know. The first one is the shape of a concave down function, and the second one is the shape of a concave up function. So here we have concave down first. Okay, it means that it is pointing in this direction. Okay, this is down. And second one is it's concave upwards. I mean that it is open upwards. Okay, so these are two shapes that we will be used to define and help us to create or construct our graph later on. Okay, so let us go through this formal definition. So it says here the graph of a differentiable function says y equal to fx. Okay, is concave up. So first we have concave up, this one, on an open interval. Okay, let's say our interval we denote by I if f prime is increasing on I. Okay, f prime is increasing. So you need to know the difference between f prime is increasing from the previous one when we did first derivative test. F prime is positive. So f prime is positive, f is increasing. Now we have f prime is increasing. So later on we will see what happened to our second derivative. So second part of our definition here, we have concave down, that is this one, on an open interval I if f prime is decreasing on I. Okay, so let us see the relationship from the first derivative test. So first derivative test, we have that f is increasing if f prime is positive, and f is decreasing. Okay, this is the shape of the function. This is the shape of the function in general. Okay, so we have here f prime is negative. So here we have two new conditions. The first one is f prime is increasing and f prime is decreasing. Okay, so in relation to this, we know that f prime will be greater than 0. So now we have f double prime greater than 0. Similarly, here we have f double prime to be less than 0. So you can see the patterns here that has been extended from our concept of the first derivative test. So first derivative test for determining whether our function is decreasing or increasing. But for the second derivative test, okay, we focus on the shape of function. Okay, whether our function concave upwards or concave downward. So this is the second derivative test for concavity. See here, we focus on f double prime or second derivative. So we have let y equal to fx be twice differentiable on an interval I that we spoke just now. So if f double prime is positive or greater than 0 on that interval, the graph of f over I is concave up. Okay, and if f double prime here is less than 0 on I, the graph of f over I is concave down. I think it's pretty straightforward. When you're talking about something positive here, okay, you can always relate it with upwards. Okay, positive upwards, and then we have negative downward, and this will help us to sketch the graph later on.